we are going to discuss solvency ratios. Solvency ratios are calculated to know the long term solvency of the business, that is, ability of the business to repay its liabilities in the longer period. So, again, I am reading that solvency ratios are calculated to determine the ability of the business to service its debts in the long run. Okay, and following ratios are calculated: debt equity ratio, proprietary ratio, total assets to debt ratio, and interest coverage ratio. Here in this video we will discuss only debt equity ratio. From the name itself, it is clear that it reflects the relation between the long term borrowings and the shareholders fund of the business. If the ratio is higher, that means more debts are there. In that case, the outsiders will feel little uncomfortable. They will not be very willing to invest in the business because its long term liabilities are higher, the interest outflow will be higher. Okay, and in case the business earns less profit, then the capital may also get eroded due to higher outflow of interest. So the formula for debt equity ratio is long term debts divided by shareholders fund. Shareholders fund includes both equity shares and preference shares plus reserves and money received against warrant plus application money pending allotment. To understand that, we will take one illustration. Now in this question, share capital is 20,000 equity shares of 10 each, that is 2 lakh rupees, debentures 1,50,000, general reserve 90,000, balance in the statement of P&L is 60,000 and long term provision 50,000 rupees. Outstanding expenses is a current liability, so to calculate debt equity ratio we will not consider this. So debt includes debentures plus long term provision. So the total debts is 2 lakh rupees, 1,50,000 debentures plus 50,000 long term provisions. Equity includes share capital plus reserves and statement of P&L. So 2 lakh plus 90,000 plus 60,000, it is 3,50,000 rupees. So debt equity ratio 2 lakh divided by 3,50,000, it is 4:7 or 0.57:1. Calculate debt to equity ratio. Total assets 2,50,000, total debts is 2 lakh rupees and current liability is 1 lakh rupees. Okay, so we have to find equity. So using the class 11 formula, assets is equal to capital plus liability, we can use that accounting equation formula. Here we have to find out shareholders fund equity. So asset minus liability. Okay, total assets minus total debts, 2,50,000 minus 2 lakh will be 50,000. In the same manner, to calculate debts, total debts, that is 2 lakh minus current liability, that is 1 lakh rupees. So long term debts are 1 lakh rupees. And we have to find out equity, total asset minus total debts, 2,50,000 minus 2 lakh, it is 50,000 rupees. So debt equity ratio is debt 1 lakh divided by equity 50,000, and the debt equity ratio is 2:1.